So there was a lot of drama in the Delhi Assembly today. AAP MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj brought an electronic voting machine prototype, mind you, not an actual EC-issued EVM, and demonstrated how the machine can be tampered with. Bharadwaj fed a code to the EVM, which resulted in a discrepancy between votes polled and the results.
मैं दिखाना चाहता हूं कि इस प्रजातंत्र की नींव ऐसी मशीनों के ऊपर टिकी हुई है जिसको मेरे जैसा एक साधारण इंजीनियर भी 10-15 दिन की मेहनत के बाद जहां वोट डलवाना चाहे वहां वोट डलवा सकता है। ये हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि इसके सीक्रेट कोड हैं। जिस पार्टी के पास है वो उस सीक्रेट कोड को इस मशीन के अंदर दाखिल करके अपनी पार्टी को जिता सकता है।
But along with the AAP expose came a few questions. AAP EVM not from EC. Was expose rigged? 17.12 lakh EVMs in India. Can EVMs be hacked without EC collusion? Did EC collude with AAP in Delhi? With JDU RLD in Bihar? With Congress in Punjab? With BJP in UP? Naturally, there have been a lot of political reactions. Here's Kapil Mishra, the latest AAP leader to fall foul of Kejriwal.
शुतुरमुर्ग बन रहे हैं, सच्चाई देखना नहीं चाहते, उनके नाम पर वोट अब नहीं मिलता है। ईवीएम को जिम्मेदारी ठहराएंगे, कल बोलेंगे जनता से कि तुम्हारी उंगली में ही गड़बड़ है, गलत बटन दबा देती है।
The BJP and Congress also had much to say.
ये इस पूरे मुद्दे को डाइवर्ट करके चाहते हैं कि जनता के बीच से इस मुद्दे को हटाया जाए, जो कि इनकी इस बचपनी हरकतों से, बचकानी हरकतों से ये मुद्दा डाइवर्ट नहीं हो सकता है।
जो मशीन इन्होंने दिखाई वो इलेक्शन कमीशन की नहीं है, क्योंकि उसका खोखा भी अलग है, और अगर वही हुबहू मशीन आपके पास ना हो तो फिर आप डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जो है वो गलत होगा।
But what about the election commission? The EC should have given a strong rebuttal to AAP right after the UP elections. Instead, all they've been saying is come to our hackathon and try messing with our EVMs there. So now they've said ye EVM hamara nahi tha, and we'll file an FIR if they find that AAP stole EVMs from them. And maybe we'll announce the date for the EVM hackathon on 12th May. Thank you very much. And finally, how do the people feel about this expose? Confused? Unconvinced? Here are some reactions we found on social media.
Ishan Mohan Bagga tweets, "Let's have re-election in the Delhi Assembly. Let BJP lose even those 3 seats it acquired by EVM tampering. Meanwhile, somebody give Arvind Kejriwal a hajmola."
Geeta Raj Shekhar on Twitter, "EVM tampering should be proven using the same make of EVMs used for elections, with the same software. If this is proven, we'll listen."
Another user says that the EVM tampered by AAP is not an EC EVM. We trust the Election Commission's EVM and not Kejriwal's EVM. Also, what about the 2 crore bribe that Kejriwal took?
In the end, what the people need is the truth, not smoke screens or sensationalism. Come on, EC, the truth please. अपनी democracy का सवाल है.